everyone, my name is Sana. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's been a while, but today I'm super excited. I will show you a huge unboxing haul from Shein that I just ordered 20 pieces and I'm going to show them all to you. So stay tuned. Let's start. Okay, so here's my first option. I'm very impressed with the quality. It's super nice. I love the stretchy material, and it's long, and I'm loving like the lace details on the neck and over here. It comes in a ton of colors. I chose this because I thought it was very perfect for spring, but there's white, black, blue, jello, hot pink, light pink, beige, I think like baby blue, navy blue. I mean, there's a ton of options, and I think it's a very good option to have. So this is a very romantic option. It's the top. I'm loving the heart shape here and the spaghetti straps, and the eyelid details. It's a very light pale pink, and the back is stretchy. So you can see it's kind of long, and it's like a V shape but down here, which it makes it very cute. Overall, I am loving it. You can put a blazer on top and you can just go for a night with girls or a date night or something. It can be very nice. Here I have another top option, which is a very like a beige with gold. It's one of my favorites for every day because you look so nice and looks so nice with just like a simple top. It has the detail of the sleeves, loose. I'm wearing a small, and it's perfect for every day. Here we have the set of three t-shirts, which are this white, the pink, and the gray. They come with the shoulder pads. As you can see, the white is a little bit on the transparent side, which I don't love, but the other two aren't. And the other thing I didn't love about this is that they're very short. But you can, I mean, if you want to tuckle them in or something, they are a very good everyday option. And then the next piece I'm going to show you are these very cool mom boyfriend jeans. They're super high cut. They're above my belly button. I'm wearing a size small, and if you can see, they are up to the ankle. I'm loving all the rib details, and the bottom part is super cool, and they are so comfy and well made. Love them. Okay, so here we have a very casual but chic style. When I saw this, I immediately thought of teachers, something for the office, because it's very conservative. It's like a very long t-shirt. I'm loving the bottom, the rounded bottom part. It has buttons all over, and it has a very cute little neck. And it comes with this strap, so you can wrap it around. Our next option is this long dress. Very comfy, very casual for everyday use. It's a very olive green, I think. The detail of the eyelids are very cute, and and the ruffles on the back, on the bottom, and the top is stretchy all the way around. And you can adjust the straps, so it's very easy fit. I'm wearing a size small. The only thing I didn't like is it's a little bit bubbly here, so I don't love that, but for every day at my house, I will wear this. Our next style is this very cute romper. I'm loving the neutral. It's a very lightweight, kind of sheer material. It's a wrap on a V here, and it comes with this integrated strap. So you can wrap it like this. You can do a bow or just a tie, and it's very cute. It's not very short, so I'm 5'5", so make sure it's not too short for you. But with sandals, sneakers, heels, I think this is a very easy piece to style and just look very cute. Here we have another romper, very cute colors. I have always loved the blue and white combination. It's a very, it's like a skirt short type of thing, very loose. And the up part doesn't have a lining, so it's a little bit see-through, but it doesn't bother me because you cannot see anything, even though I don't have any, like just my bra. On the bottom, you do have a lining, and it's a very decent length of the short, and it comes with this, so you can tie it around, and that's it. Another blue and white dress. This is going to be one of my favorites. Super easy piece, just to look nice. A very good quality. I'm loving the flowers and the length and like the style and like the V-neck. It's stretchy down here, so it's like very comfortable, and I am loving it. Super cute option. So this, I think it's a very happy dress. When I see it, I just smile. I'm loving the bright and colorful colors. It's very lightweight and just easy to wear. It's like a cross here, and the straps are adjustable. It's completely long, and it has 2 openings on each of the sides, and it comes with this strap, so you can like tie a knot or a bow. Very cute option. Definitely one of my favorites. So this dress, I think, is a very easy transitional piece. You can put a blazer or a sweater on top, and it's perfect for fall. It's a very light purple pink with the black dots. It's up to my knees, and I'm loving like the ruffle bottom here, and also like the neck. I think this neck will make you feel like longer or like more stylish. It has zipper, and it comes with this strap, so you can tie a bow or a knot here. Very cute option. This is my favorite of this selection. I'm loving this Bohemian style dress. I'm loving the colors, the details on the neck and the cutout here, the back. I think it's a very flattering dress, perfect for vacation, for a night out with girls. I mean, it's just very cute. It's long, and it's like very beautiful. How gorgeous is this dress? Black and white, a classic. It has a gorgeous back, very sexy, very flattering, and it's like elegant enough so you can wear it to a wedding or a formal event. It's super cute, or even like your rehearsal dinner or whatever you want. It's 3/4 in length, and it has a lining up to the knees. Very airy, very cute. This is an option from their premium collection. It's silk, it's asymmetrical. It's like a off-white with the beautiful flowers. One shoulder with the ruffles here all the way around, and it can be wrapped in different ways. So it has like this silk sidings, and one is longer than the other one, so you can like wrap it like this, or just a bow here, or you can do even like several twists and wrap it on the back. So it has very different ways, so you can put it on. Very cute, very beautiful, elegant, and well made. This is a blazer short set. It comes as a set. They have like 3 different options, color options. I ordered like the sand, I think it's the lighter sand option. It's like a linen-like material. Together, I love it. Super cute. The blazer is long and 3/4, and it's like a oversized, I think. but the shorts by themselves are not flattering or good. I didn't like the shorts. You can see like this, they look nice, but they're like bulky and weird. I mean, I didn't like them, but together I did. So I have wear this before together, and also you can wear the blazer with some jeans or another bottom that you already have. And also I'm wearing the body that comes as a set. I'm going to show them to you on the next option. Okay, so first the body, it comes in a 4 set. This black, this light blue, beige, and brown. One of my favorites, super easy to use with jeans, with shorts, like everyday use on the like a bottom of anything. So it's a very good option. And then my short skirt, it's linen, it's very airy and flary, very cute option. I'm thinking for like vacation, the beach, like with a swimsuit or something like that. Very cute. It has like the 2 pockets here, and it has like this 2 decoration because it doesn't tie, but very, very nice option. Lastly, we have this jumpsuit, which I love. It's on the heavy side, like sweatpants material, so I will be wearing this over the fall, winter. It has the shoulder pads, which I love, the elastic waistband, it has a zipper in the back, and also elastic on the bottom. The pants are like on the baggy, like oversized side, and they have 2 pockets. I think it's perfect for traveling, the airport, or just like road trips. Very comfy and just you look stylish but comfy. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like it and subscribe to my channel. I am going to link everything I show you today on the description down below, and we have a discount code, which is this one, so make sure you use it to get 15% off of everything. Bye. Thank you.